I'm just warning everyone that all the rooms are live right now because I have to teach class. So if you go in a room and chat, just remember that they're all live right now.
Okay.
Because I didn't want to come back
Yeah,
around
we
when at
forgot
12:30.
that last
We forgot that last time. It's
time.
okay. It's not a big deal, and you can like talk. I talk on purpose in front of them. I go in front of them. I figured Josie would. I'm just saying that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, all live.
So no pressure, guys. You just can't screw up, otherwise.
Got good on his desk.
What?
Oh, should we feel it in front of the camera? I'm joking. That'd be nice.
So I need a 4 and a 5.
We should go check if 3, 4, 5. Stuart is here yet. Yeah, because if they are, they're gonna have our buzzers and we can go help them set up.
Me and Lynn are gonna chill out in here for a little bit.
My first time, she was a year and a half now, is 16 years of Christmas practice.
Yeah, don't say that too loud because they can hear you.
I know, but then I'm gonna, well, actually, maybe, that'd be wise if like Stuart or like some other people that are there cheating, like, if they got on and then.
Stuart parent could have just heard you.
Well, that sucks for them, doesn't it?
Okay, wait. Just
And
ask.
so if they got on and then they could just hear. like,
Stand
after-
over there, and then just ask a random question. Just literally super easy questions. Not questions on the packet.
How many days are in a year?
No, hold on. Don't buzz right away, okay? I just wanna.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
So is it? It's on?
How many days are in a year?
Oh, hold on,
You
hold on.
stopped it.
Yeah. So this one I have to hold it the whole time.
No, just for a long time. Like now let go. See, it keeps going.
Okay.
Like let it go for like hold it for like 3 or 4 seconds. Oh,
Green number 2.
366.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Correct answer is hold on, let me do the math real quick. 365.
Actually, I challenged that because there's sometimes 366 days in there.
I didn't ask for a leap year.
But you never specified.
Specifically.
Okay, let's do another one. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna read one out of here just because they're just.
Do the other practice ones.
Yeah. Okay, extras, warm-ups. Frog. Question. Task number 1. Frogs. Name the stage which occurs between the egg and adult stage of a frog.
Green number 2.
Tadpole. Wait. I didn't say that is correct.
That is correct.
Did you say that or did I say that? I think I said
You have the answer, so you'll say.
Yeah, okay. Okay, that's
So
good.
I'm recognizing, right? I recognize, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And
I
then
answer
you'll
the
say,
questions.
what?
Then I say yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ready?
And then, wait, you're also gonna say repeat for the whatever team, okay? Right?
Wait, how do you spell honey? Honey?
Mm-hmm.
They spelled honey really weirdly. Is that just how many people spell honey? Look,
Like-
it's
Like Huny or whatever.
H-U-N-N-Y. Not really.
Yeah, that's how he spells it. Let me see it. Yeah, that's how he spells it on his. Hold up, where's my book? Yeah, because he spells it weird on his jar.
Weirdly.
Kira was telling me about how much this annoys her. And I was telling her how much it annoys me too.
It's also the truth. Like, you should have good grammar.
Kara! Let me call Kara and see if she'll stop.
It should be like flat.
No, hi. You should come stop by Mr. Peterson's room and talk to us. $300.
After you.
Yeah, you're not there.
What do you mean I'm not there?
No.
Are you in the 400 hallway?
Yeah. They said that.
No, I'm asking you. Are you in the 400 hallway?
I'm like a lot.
You're on the wrong side of the 300. He's on the very far end of the 300 hallway. Like, close to the door.
I'm not gonna.
Just, he's the very last classroom on the opposite end that you're in if you're down the 300 hallway.
Just say where the girls' bathroom is. Do you know where the girls' bathroom is?
Hi, Kara.
I was in that hallway. Did not look out. Hi, what are you? Are you just waiting?
Yeah.
Here, let me read a question. These are like extras. So go sit down. Or stand up, I think. You're supposed to
You're
stand
supposed to stand up then.
up. Okay, ready?
Okay, yep.
Okay. These are like super easy ones.
Yeah, 'cause
Well,
they're-
like, oh, we don't want to for that.
Did that one already? Yeah.
Okay, ready? Toss up number 4. Plateaus. The Tibetan, I didn't practice this.
Don't do that
Is
one.
that a plateau? Is it?
Yeah.
Is it a plateau? I know what it is.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna do a different one.
Okay.
Do-
Toss up
do-
number 3.
Right.
What inland sea in northern Utah is saltier than the Pacific?
Oh, we're like actually. Oh. I
Uh,
actually.
green number 3.
Is it the Great Salt Sea or the Red Sea? One of them. I don't know.
The answer is the Great Salt Lake.
Oh.
I thought you were gonna get it, but you said Great Salt Sea, and I was like, no, Kara.
Okay, ready?
One more.
Peninsulas. What peninsula? Wait, let's do this. Frogs. Name the stage which occurs between the egg and adult stage of a frog.
The growing stage.
I'm sorry, you did not wait to be recognized. Green number 3.
Growing stage.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. The answer is tadpole or polywog.
Are you actually sorry?
No. I hate to say that.
Objection.
Are you challenging it? Are you actually
I'm just gonna leave
challenging?
it locked.
I am challenging.
What's your challenge?
My challenge is that I'm right.
Well, I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Kara,
Okay.
it's okay to not be smarter than a 6th grader.
Objection. I challenge that. No, not even kidding. It was Jay Sanders last year. I was like, why is he so smart? Anyways,
Yeah, that's,
objection.
What?
what are you objecting?
I'm objecting everything. Ask me
Okay,
another
ready?
one.
Okay. The U.S. Congress. How many senators are from Nevada?
Green number 3.
There are 2.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. You cannot say there are, you can't say, we probably would have accepted it though.
Yeah.
That is correct. Okay, heavenly objects. What object in the solar system? What object in the solar
I got
system
it.
has a mass about 300,000?
Josie, might as well go get your
Times.
popcorn now.
I don't like popcorn.
Let's go.
Wait, what's the question? Objection.
The sun. Yeah, let's go.
I want to go get. Well, you only on one condition. You welcome me to get my lunch too.
And I really don't want
Popcorn
to leave.
first.
Fine.
Also, I'm pretty sure it starts at 12:45.
What time
Popcorn. It's just in the FCS
is it? You
room,
gotta hurry.
and it's only 12:27. Maybe one of you should stay in here though.
Yeah.
I am actually going to run to
I'm gonna
the
go eat.
library and see where he's at.
Well, I'm gonna go in the
Oh, we're actually we're supposed to get
Can you just-
popcorn after lunch. She said you could try now.
Where do you are afterwards?
Yeah, I can already eat lunch. Well, you can try.
usually before.
Guess what?
Oh,
Here's like all this candy and stuff.
Are you
You
serious?
should go right now.
No, they're coming.
Here, I got you some nerds.
No, thank you. Oh,
I get the rest of them.
also, hey, maybe put that over there. That way you're not tempted to eat it while we're.
I know, but right now I'm gonna eat it.
Lynn, they're coming.
I know, but they're not coming yet. Oh boy, am I nervous.
Also. He just told everyone else. He told me to come tell you. I'm recognizing, right? Or okay. Sorry, I'm just like quadruple checking. But because we're gonna be lenient on every single round. We just have to remind them, like if they buzz and speak without recognition.
Just remind them, but don't make them like actually.
Yeah. So like they get the points and everything. Where's the scoring sheet that I need?
Right here.
Is this ours? Because doesn't each room have one of these packets?
Yeah, but I don't see any other ones, and I've gotten this from here. Okay.
Give me all of them, that way that I just have them all.
Well, here, let's take this. I'm so confused. So yeah, anyway. Basically, this has a lot of popcorn.
And it's 12 questions, right?
This one is worded really weirdly. Like, it's just old people kind of, like, with our architect thing. And does it.
Okay, yeah.
And the other classroom is rotated 3 So those are the 4 rooms. Take a look at your schedules.
Oh, I think it's red light shade. No, 40. I saw him out last night.
Okay, I would put those. Take that water bottle and take it from here too. Is that also gonna bother me?
Whose is that?
I don't know, I think it's Joseph's.
It's not yours. Oh, wait, yeah, the other.
Doesn't
If
it
I
look
steal
so
some of this, I'm gonna kill him.
Doesn't it look so much more pleasing to the eye? Move the water bottle. Thank you very much. Isn't it more appeasing to the eye though? To see the colors other than black and white?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta make sure they stay hidden. Just put it underneath the packet. So. what else did I write this up? Okay. Those are the extra. I'll keep the extras with me. You have the bonus ones. We should be just about like perfectly lined up.
So next round you're reading.
Maybe you should read the first two.
No,
Well, let me see the second round questions. I just want to start looking. So I'll have all the emails.
I look. Yeah. There's 7 rounds, so I'll have more anyway. I wrote a lot on that one too.
Caribbean.
Caribbean. I always say Caribbean, so I must say Caribbean.
Syllable location.
Yeah. Good. Look at that.
Syllabic.
Yeah. Disyllabic.
Disyllabic.
Disyllabic. Disyllabic. Put the over, say 1 over 20.
Oh, 1 over
I think so.
1 or 1 over 125. Yep. Okay.
And then when I read, I always look at them differently, so I have to write down the SH instead of CH.
Cliche.
Because otherwise I might say cliches.
Cliches.
Wait, hold up.
Reminiscence.
Just reminiscent. You know what? I can still have my popcorn.
Reminiscent.
So I feel a piece of paper that like break his heart.
Yeah.
And then it says to Jared, I go,
There's no Q.
There's no Q. That was just myself.
this one.
Number patterns, what are the next, oh, how to do it?
Yeah,
You
how do you
go-
spell it?
Cause, I forgot the top one, no,
Oh, I got it.
It's 2
So
and then
2.
there's 3 plus that, yeah. Wait.
So, no, because look, it's each of them half.
Mhm.
So then the next one would be 8. No.
No, it's because 2
It's 2.
plus the 3, plus 1 before it. Wait,
2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. I don't know. 9 plus 9 is 18.
wait, it's 2 plus 1, plus the one before it, so 2 plus 1 is.
It's fine. We don't need to explain it to them. So
I knew it once.
48 squared, that's easy. Okay, 2 by 3 and 3. Yelnats?
Yeah, they spelled it, they put a T there.
Yelnats, okay.
Lars knew that one. He loves Shoals, that's his favorite book ever.
This is from what book?
Yeah, because if you say tail, that's what my question was.
Chronicles of
Then
Narnia.
tail, then you can say Chronicles of Narnia as well as that one. Because it's like Chronicles of Narnia are all tales together, as well as just one book. So that's why we put book.
Okay. Wait. Why can't they put this on the last?
I
Okay.
know.
I'm gonna do that.
I did that to one of them.
I'm doing that to this one.
I still need to look through my first one, so.
And then I'm just gonna cross it out. Okay. One credit from lot and it's like really to the wrong somewhere. Oh my gosh. What constitution?
C-O-N-S-T-I-T, wait, I just messed up.
No, you didn't.
U-T-I-O-N, I can't remember what it was.
Okay. Diameter, what line segment passes through the center of the circle and has endpoints on the circle? We've gotten that,
Pictures, like paper and pencil.
we've gotten that one before.
No, that was radius.
But we still had those, like, those same questions, like.
Okay, I need to look through mine.
Okay. So we have Westholt Gold and Stewart. Right in here.
No, it doesn't matter. I gave Caleb the captain thing for right now. So, 1, 2, 3, where did you say? Oh, of course, right here, sorry. Switch your captain, or your Stewart placard right there. Okay? I don't see a mistake. Do you guys have?
Yeah, it's right over there.
And you guys can put yours right here, whoever's got it. Kind of fold it in half. Perfect.
Do you want the door closed?
Yes, please.
Okay, and then ladies and gentlemen, just grab a chair right there. You can sit.
Have someone to, wait,
Thank you.
for buzz.
I'm just gonna sit it by your chair.
All right, guys, we all ready? You guys excited? Yep. Is this your first meet? All right, just, I'm sure you already went over all this, just wait to be recognized. If there's bonus, you guys can talk with your team. You can't do that on toss-ups though. Yeah, that's basically it.
Okay, so we're just gonna start with some practices. Okay? Okay, toss up number 1. Frogs. Name the stage which occurs between the egg and the adult stage of the frog.
Now try it. Now try it, Buzz.
No, you're good.
Now try it, Buzz.
Red number 3?
Is it tadpole? That's correct.
Just say test.
Hungry. Okay. Hungry bear. What is Winnie the Pooh's favorite food?
Westfall 5.
That's correct. The U.S. Congress. How many senators are from Nevada?
Stewart 3.
That's correct.
Just say two. Say two. Yeah, all right, sounds good.
You're great. Have fun.
You ready?
She's gonna be short today.
Okay. So this is for real now. Okay. Toss up number 1. Patriotic people. He was a leading advocate of resistance to British rule before the American Revolution. He seconded the Declaration of Independence and was the American ambassador to Britain between 1785 and 1788. Name the second U.S. president.
That was my bad. Oh, there we go. There.
That's correct, but just make sure that
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're good. Okay. So bonus for Westfold. So just back away. Chief executives. A U.S. president may serve no more than how many 4-year terms?
2.
That's correct. Toss up number 2. Miracles. To whom is Mark Twain referring when he said the following? She has been dumb, stone deaf, and stone blind ever since she was a year and a half old. Now, at 16 years of age, this miraculous creature passes the Harvard University examinations in Latin, German, and French history, and does it not in a commonplace fashion.
Stewart number 3.
That is incorrect. Repeat for Westfold. Miracles. To whom is Mark Twain referring when he said the following? She has been dumb, stone deaf, and stone blind ever since she was a year and a half old. Now, at 16 years of age, this miraculous creature passes the Harvard University examinations in Latin, German, and French history, and does it not in a commonplace fashion. The answer was Helen Keller. Okay. Toss up number 3. Poems. What are the last 3 words in the poem that conclude with these lines? That kissed the maiden all forlorn, that milked the cow with the crumpled horn, that tossed the dog that worried the cat, that chased the rat that ate the cheese, that lay in the house. The answer was the Jack Bill. Okay. Toss up number 4. Mental math. If a car travels 360 miles on 15 gallons of gasoline, how many miles can it travel on 1 gallon?
Stewart number 3.
That is incorrect. Repeat for Westfold. Mental math. If a car travels 360 miles on 15 gallons of gasoline, how many miles can it travel on 1 gallon?
West Holt 5.
34.
That's incorrect. The answer is 24. Toss-up number 5, snake bite. Victims of viper bites will have how many puncture wounds? That's correct. Just make sure to wait for your cast. Okay. Bonus for West Holt. Mountain ranges. What mountain range passes through Virginia, Tennessee, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, and West Virginia?
Appalachians.
That's correct. Toss-up number 6. Numbers. What is Spanish for 12?
Stuart 1.
That's correct. Bonus for Stuart. Fire ecology. In what Latin American country are people clearing and burning hundreds of thousands of acres of rainforests every year?
Brazil.
That's correct. Toss-up number 7. Proper slang. Which phrase means "I'll return soon" and is often abbreviated to 3 letters in slang?
Stuart 6.
Is it BRB?
That's correct. So, but is often abbreviated, what is it, that's what the actual is.
Yeah.
Thank you, sorry.
Yep, nope, you're fine. Yes, you're
Yeah,
correct.
bonus.
Okay.
Alright, bonus for Stuart. Cubes. What is the shape of a cross section that cuts through one of the corners of a cube?
Vertice?
That is incorrect. The answer is a triangle.
Remember, you guys can back up so that you can hear each other talk better too. Both
Yep.
teams,
And
okay?
you don't have to whisper, you can.
Yeah, you can talk as loud as you want.
Okay. And you can also say repeat if you want to repeat a bonus question. Toss-up number 8, state fossils. The state fossil of South Dakota is what herbivorous dinosaur with a large horn above either eye, a smaller horn on the nose, and a bony plate covering the neck?
Stuart 3.
Triceratops?
That's correct. Bonus is volcanoes. More than half the world's active volcanoes encircle the Pacific in a belt of volcanic activity called the what?
Ring of Fire?
That's correct.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Yep. Toss-up number 9, crossing borders. Which state would you be in if you crossed the Ohio River going south from Cincinnati?
West Holt 5.
Michigan?
That is incorrect. Repeat for Stuart. Crossing borders. Which state would you be in if you crossed the Ohio River going south from Cincinnati?
Nope.
I'm sorry, no talking.
This is still a toss-up.
Stuart 5.
Is it Illinois?
That is incorrect. The answer is Kentucky.
And when she repeats it for you, you can't talk on that one. It wasn't a bonus yet, okay?
That's okay. Yep.
Yep.
Alright, toss-up number 10. Islands. Name the largest island through which the Arctic Circle passes.
Stuart 3.
Antarctica.
That is incorrect. Repeat for West Holmes. Islands. Name the largest island through which the Arctic Circle passes.
Westholt 4.
That's correct. Bonus for West Holt. Modifiers. What 3 adjectives are also articles?
A, and the.
That is correct. Toss-up number 11. Expressions. What word completes this line written by Miguel Cervantes in the 17th century? Why do you leave me on a wild goose blank?
Stuart 6.
Chase? That's correct. Bonus for Stuart. Paper and pencil. A rectangular garden has a length of 12 meters and a width of 8 meters. What is this area?
Square meters.
That's correct.
Good job putting your label on it.
Nice. I go first time.
I have Westholt at 45. That might have been, I think that was my bad earlier.
So they would have got 5 points here and then 10 points for the bonus, right?
So I have them having 3 times when they got the bonus and the toss-up.
So this would have been bonus, toss-up bonus, toss-up bonus, toss-up bonus. Right? So there would have been like that. So 5 and then 15. So this should be 25, 20. This should be 30.
I have it, yeah, I have it going.
Okay, yep.
Okay.
Because that would have been 20, yep, 30, so then it'd be 35 and 45. There we go.
Sorry, that was my bad.
My bad.
I should have caught that earlier.
I can do math really at the end.
Okay. Toss-up number 12. Native American history. Eastern woodlands tribes of North America used wampum as what?
Stuart 6.
Paper.
That is incorrect. Repeat for Westport. Native American history. The Eastern Woodlands tribes of North America used wampum as what?
Clothing.
That is incorrect. And just remember to be recognized. It's okay. Yeah. Oh, the correct answer is money. Stuart 50, West Holt gold at 45.
Nice job, guys. You did good. Do you all know where you're going next?
Stewart is going to 203, so you'll follow me. It looks like Westwood Gold stays here.
Yep.
Remember last name? Yeah, that's alright. All right, let's go this way.
Oh, I can do that one.
I did that too.
Otherwise, I can do the other.
Okay, so Okay, so here, look. So Stewart won 50, and they get 1. West Gold, they got 45, and they lost. And you get this mock interview. And then now just rewrite those two.
Oh, it's like Lady Bird.
Alright guys, we all ready? Okay, toss-up question number 1, poetry. What type of poem typically begins with this kind of first line? There was an old man from Nairobi.
St. Joseph, number 4. William.
That is correct. Bonus for St. Joseph's.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bonus for St. Joseph's. Caribbean puns. Using the name of the Caribbean country for the pun, complete this line. I love coffee, but I...
Repeat.
Caribbean puns. Using the name of a Caribbean country for the pun, complete this line. I love coffee, but I... Captain?
No answer.
The correct answer is Haiti. Toss-up number 2. Syllabication. What is the last dissyllabic word in the Pledge of Allegiance?
West Hold, number 4. Justice.
That's correct. Bonus paper and pencil for West Holt. Reciprocals. Add the reciprocal of 1 over 125 to the reciprocal of 4. I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 125.25. Toss-up number 3. Cliches. What is the missing word in these cliches? Off the, up the, writing on the, back against the blank.
West Hold, number 4. Wall.
That is correct. Okay. Bonus for West Holt. Illusions. Arnold was an unpromising child, but he grew up to become a successful and handsome man. This is reminiscent of what story by Hans Christian Andersen?
Repeat.
Illusions. Arnold was an unpromising child, but he grew up to become a successful and handsome man. This reminiscent of what story by Hans Christian Andersen? Answer? The Ugly Duckling. Toss-up number 4. Fictional females. Okay. Fictional females. What is the last name of the character indicated in this blurb? A blast of wind, a house rattling bang, and Mary arrives at this number 17 Cherry Tree Lane, where, quicker than she can close her umbrella, she takes charge of the bank's children.
St. Joseph's, number 2. Hopkins.
That's correct. Bonus for St. Joseph's, paper and pencil. Number patterns. What are the next 3 numbers in this sequence? 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 10.
Repeat.
What are the next 3 numbers in the sequence? 2, 4, 3, 6, 5. Captain?
11, 13, 12.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was 9, 18, and 17. Toss-up number 5. Musical instruments. In which of the two main categories of wind instruments must the player's lips vibrate to cause the air within the instrument to vibrate?
West Hole number 4. Brass.
That's correct. Bonus for West Hole, paper pencil. Squaring. What is 48 squared? Correct answer is 2,304. Toss-up number 6, longitude. How many total degrees of longitude are there?
West Hole number 4. 110.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Repeat for St. Joseph's. Longitude. How many total degrees of longitude are there?
St. Joseph's number 4. 180.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Correct answer is 360. Toss-up number 7. In the novel Holes, Stanley Yelnats is given the choice of going to jail or to what camp?
West Hole number 4.
Green Lake.
That is correct. Bonus for West Hall. Crops. This is about the leaf of what plant? It made the Jamestown colony prosperous, but since it became the only crop raised, general prosperity depended on almost entirely on the price of the leaf in London.
Tobacco?
That is correct. Okay. Toss-up number 8. Sentences. What part of a sentence tells something about the subject?
St. Joseph's number 4. Direct object.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Repeat for your West Hall. Sentences. What part of a sentence tells something about the subject?
West Hole number 4.
Predicate.
That is correct. Bonus for West Hall. Tributaries. What is the principal tributary of the Mississippi River?
Gulf of Mexico?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. We're looking for Missouri River. Toss-up number 9. Stories. This is from what book by C.S. Lewis? The Queen asked, "What would you like to eat?" "Turkish delight, your majesty," said Edmund. The Queen let a drop fall from her bottle onto the snow, and there appeared a box which contained several pounds of Turkish delight.
Just remember to wait to recognize.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Repeat for West Hall. Stories. This is from what book by C.S. Lewis? The Queen asked, "What would you like to eat?" "Turkish delight, your majesty," said Edmund. The Queen let a drop fall from her bottle onto the snow, and there appeared a box which contained several pounds of Turkish delight.
West Hole number 4.
Alice in Wonderland.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Correct answer is The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe.
Challenge. Because it's one of the Chronicles of Narnia.
Yes, but they specified that we asked for what book?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Toss-up number 10. Fairy tales. One prick from what, and Sleeping Beauty took a long slumber.
The Spindle.
That is correct.
Just remember to wait 2 months.
Bonus for St. Joseph's. Spelling time. How do you spell Constitution?
Constitution.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Constitution. Okay. Toss-up number 11. Circles. What line segment passes through the center of a circle and has its endpoints on the circle?
St. Joseph's number 3. Diameter.
That's correct. Paper and pencil bonus for St. Joseph's. Wildlife percentages. 224 deer were counted on the Rimfire Ranch. 36 were bucks. To the nearest whole number, what percentage were does?
Repeat.
Wildlife percentages. 224 deer were counted on the Rimfire Ranch. 36 were bucks. To the nearest whole number, what percentage were does?
6.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. 84%. Toss-up number 12. State nickname. Because 8 of these people have famously come from Virginia, it is nicknamed the mother of what?
West Holt number 4. Presidents.
That is correct. Bonus for West Holt. Arguments. The arguments for and The arguments for and against an issue are called the pros and what?
Cons.
That is correct. And our final score is. Should be 50 to 20? Yeah, 50 to 20. Let's hold. Everyone good to know where you're going next?
Good job,
Good job, guys.
Good job. Good job. You guys know where you're going? Make sure to take your left hand form up there. Or like
St. Joseph's.
Really sorry.
St. Joseph's. Yes.
Is Captain here?
Yeah.
Captain is 3. West Holt 50. No, those not gold still. 50.
Well, we did good in our first one,
Yeah.
but our second one was kind of harder.
Was it?
Yeah.
Some tough questions.
In the first one, we did pretty good.
Yeah.
It was a tie. We had a tiebreaker.
Ooh.
That's good.
Alright, good, go.
How we doing? Fun?
It's just absolutely.
You guys been hearing interviews?
Yep. Right, I'm gonna read West one. Okay, I don't really care.
We should praise two together.
O'Neill White.
Our first two have been O'Neill.
Okay.
Now we play the other class.
Wait, so say, so.
We played the other fifth grade.
And then we and then
If you're breaking myself as your brother.
That makes
And then
sense.
so our team
Like, we just gotta beat our fifth grade class.
and sometimes we play
Okay,
six.
so for this one, you're gonna have to say Paul.
I know they're just gonna remember.
Since they're both in the same
Yeah. Wait, so those are class.
Oh wait, that's me anyways, as far as.
Wait, you don't have to always have to stay in.
I have a question. Do the captains always stay in?
Heroes still has.
Do the captains always have to stand?
They do not always. They can switch. They can
They can't switch in the middle of a round, but
Not-
Okay, yeah.
in
like
between
between
rounds
them.
they can switch, yes.
Okay.
Oh, here, I hear it.
So we meet again.
Just a little
We
friendly
play.
rivalry
We-
here.
Would someone be willing to come and do sport for us?
Does anybody know? Hey,
Would one of you guys want to be willing to do sport?
Sure.
He'll probably need some help.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we'll have it here anyways.
Okay.
We'll help you out.
Captain's captain.
He has to be in third spot. All right, fifth graders, you ready to focus?
Yeah.
Okay.
Toss up number 1. Sentences. What type of sentence is this statement by Lord Kelvin? Radio has no future.
Huskies number 1.
Simple sentence?
That's correct. Bonus for Huskies.
5. And then change.
Bonus for Huskies. Integuments. Name the small plates that protect the skin of many fish and reptiles. Scales? That's correct.
So it should be 15.
Okay. Toss up number 2. Perimeters. Perimeters mental math. What is the perimeter of a square whose sides are 7.5 inches?
30 inches.
I'm sorry, please wait to be recognized.
That's correct. Okay. Bonus for Western Blue. Plane figures. The lines connecting the vertices of a square form a total of how many different triangles?
Four.
That is incorrect. The answer is 8. Okay, toss number 3. Collections. What are these? Perseus, Northern Cross, Orient, Canis Major, Aquarius.
Huskies number 3.
No answer. Okay. Repeat for West Holt Blue. What are these? Perseus, Northern Cross, Ryan, Canis Major, Aquarius.
Blue, West Holt Blue number 5.
Constellations? That's correct. Bonus for West Holt Blue. Songs. How are these songs collectively described? I have been working on the railroad, Erie Canal, this land is your land.
Folk songs.
That's correct. Toss up number 4. Prepositions. How many prepositions are in this line? I first came upon Bobo one day when I was walking on a country road.
3.
West Holt Blue number 1.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the Huskies. Prepositions. How many prepositions are in this line? I first came upon Bobo one day when I was walking on a country road.
Huskies number 1.
2.
That's correct. Bonus for the Huskies. Bad advertising. What word did the writer of this ad intend? Comfortable apartment. Short walk to the beach. Affordable germs.
This is a bonus.
We can talk.
You guys can talk with your teammates.
Germs? That is not what they intend. The answer is terms. That's what was wrong, but it's not what they meant to say. Toss-up number 5. Hidden countries. The name of what country is hidden in this line? This painting is in the Prado Museum.
Huskies 3.
Prado.
That is incorrect. Repeat for Westwood. The name of what country is hidden in this line? This painting is in the Prado Museum.
West Holt Blue number 6.
Museum.
That is incorrect. The answer is Spain. Kit.
Yeah, number 3. Can you move the West Holt sign that way we can see your buzzer, please?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, okay.
Toss-up number 6, explorers. He was exploring the narrow strip of land that joins the North and the South America, and he came upon a great body of water, which he named the South Sea. What had Balboa discovered?
Huskies number 1.
The Atlantic Ocean.
That's incorrect. Repeat for West Holt Blue. Explorers. He was exploring the narrow strip of land that joins North and South America when he came upon a great body of water, which he named the South Sea. What had Balboa discovered?
West Holt Blue number 5.
The Indian Ocean.
That's incorrect. The answer is Pacific Ocean. Toss-up number 7. Clouds. What is the name for a cloud at ground level?
Huskies number 1.
Fog.
That's correct. Bonus, paper and pencil. Word squares. What is the fourth word in a word square if the first 3 are lane, area, and near? That is incorrect. The answer is years. Toss-up number 8. Blood types. What is the only consonant used in naming the 4 common blood types?
West Holt Blue number 1.
B. That is correct. Bonus for blue. Grammar term. Grammar errors. Name the grammatical error in this line. I have not yet barely begun to fight. Repeat. Name the grammatical error in this line. I have not yet barely begun to fight. Barely. That is incorrect. The answer is double negative. Wait, no, hold on. 8, 9. Yeah. Toss-up number 9. In which sport? In which sport would you perform a triple axel?
Huskies number 1.
Gymnastics.
That is incorrect. Repeat for West Holt Blue. In which sport? In which sport would you perform a triple axel?
Hockey.
way to be recognized, but that is incorrect. The answer is figure skating. Toss-up number 10, conjunctions. What is the conjunction in this example? Your body was painted while you slept.
Huskies number 1.
Wow.
That's correct. Bonus for the Huskies. Punctuation. What punctuation mark should separate responsibilities and take in this example? These are your responsibilities. Take out the trash and mow the lawn.
Comma.
That is incorrect. The answer is a colon. Okay. Toss-up number 11. European real estate. What Western European country has vastly increased in size thanks to the construction of dikes?
Huskies number 3.
Germany? That is incorrect. Repeat for rest of the What Western European country has vastly increased in size thanks to the construction of dikes?
No talking. Sorry. West Holt Blue number 6.
Spain.
That is incorrect. The answer is the Netherlands. Toss-up number 12. Ranging. Name the long-handled metal rod with a distinctive design at one end, which is heated and used for marking livestock.
West Holt Blue number 2.
Branding.
That is incorrect. Sorry. Repeat for the Huskies. Ranging. Name the long-handled metal rod with a distinctive design at one end, which is heated and used for marking livestock.
Huskies number 5.
Brander.
I think you can. It's a branding iron.
You both were very close with that one.
Yeah. Okay. Final score, West Holt Huskies 30 and Blue 25.
Nice job, guys. That was close.
You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go to the library.
You need to quit stressing about the little thing.
I can keep score for this next one.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll sit down. No, Charlie. Do you know what the other team is?
Yes, it is O'Neill Eagles. I would not trust all those right there. I'm actually just like, oh, well.
How do you spell O'Neill, right?
Yeah.
I can't help you guys. It's great.
So, I'm sorry about that. That was round 2. What was that round 2? Okay, it was on.
Come on, guys. Did you guys have round 2?
Sixth grade.
Round 2, David and Dylan.
I'm sitting back in the sixth grade.
Reese. Sometimes I forget to put these in.
Guys, I'm saying.
So that we were just
I'll
wrong.
sit on his couch.
And the score was.
I'll sit down. Wait, you already sat out.
Okay. Roland, you want me to just be you want me to just be captain for the rest of it?
Sure.
So when you get out, I can just be captain. We are in this room, but.
Yeah, you guys are in here. You should be against
I think it's like O'Neill.
O'Neill Eagles, yeah. They're the undefeated team right now. Them and O'Neill White are the ones that are undefeated right now.
Should we go over here? Who's on the white? Like, literally, no,
I think that they just split them up,
no, I wouldn't think you.
but I have no idea to be honest. Because there's three O'Neill teams.
No, I just did that yesterday. I mean, I did that last week. Probably it's, I mean, it's warm here, like not Tuesday.
At least it's not as hot as it was in Mrs. Miller's room. That was hot. I would not, but it's.
But you felt
You better be fast, Lynn. What grade are you guys in?
Fifth.
Smarter than I was when I was your age.
I should be in 7th grade.
What?
No,
I
you should be in
should.
6th
So
grade.
you should be in 6th grade.
Because you're turning 12. But if you were in their class, you'd be young for their class. If you turn 12 and
Yeah.
I was gonna say, you'd be really, really young, because like, I'm an 8th grader.
No, not Declan. Declan, that was you. That was you.
That's really was 5:30 anymore.
Yeah, I'll be. Guys, somebody needs to be first player.
No, just one person's gonna be missing anyways.
Okay, hang out. This seems wrong. Let's go. I'll be this. Let's go. We have the.
I don't care. Stewart ones, those ones are fun, aren't they? The Stewart ones are fun.
Were they like the big blocks?
Yeah, and then you say the number. I hate
Okay, let's
those
just
so
go.
much. All right, we all good?
Yep.
Okay. Round 4. Toss-up number 1. State geography. What state borders South Carolina, Tennessee, Alabama, Florida, and the Atlantic?
Huskies number 2.
Georgia.
That's correct. Bonus for the Huskies. Africa. What country occupies the northeast corner of Africa?
No answer.
Okay, the answer is Egypt. Toss number 2. Can someone grab the door?
I got it.
Thank you. Habitats. Noted for the distinct animal species, such as the giant land tortoise, the flightless cormorant, and the marine iguana, name these islands off South America's western coast.
O'Neill 5.
Galapagos Islands.
That's correct.
What? Galapagos turtle.
Bonus O'Neill. A pipe or channel designed to transport water from a remote source, usually by gravity, is called an
Repeat.
A pipe or channel designed to transport water from a remote source, usually by gravity, is called an what?
I don't know.
Aqueduct.
That's correct. Toss-up number 3, marine biology. Name the marine invertebrate that draws in water through a system of pores located throughout its body.
O'Neill 2.
Pufferfish.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the Huskies. Name the marine invertebrate that draws in water through a system of pores located throughout its body.
Huskies number 3.
Sure. That is incorrect. The answer is a sponge.
Oh.
Because.
Oh.
Uh, number 4. Specific science. Those who study the world's largest bodies of water are in what scientific study?
Huskies 2.
Waterology.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the Eagles. Specific science. Those who study the world's largest bodies of water are in what scientific study?
Eagles number 5.
Oceanology?
That's correct.
Oh, this is
Never mind, that's incorrect. It's gravity. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I'm got excited.
Toss up number 5.
Tell them the correct answer.
Oh, I said I did.
No, you didn't.
You told me.
I
the
said
correct
wrong.
answer.
Oceanography. I said oceanography. Sure. Okay. Toss up number 5. Healed wounds. A permanent mark left on the skin as by
Eagles number 3.
Scar.
That's correct.
I refuse to believe you.
Next for the Eagles. Sports songs. These lyrics are from a song about what sport? Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks.
Baseball.
What?
It's baseball.
That's correct.
And I thought no one yelled it.
Toss up number 6. Exploration. What small country at the southwestern corner of Europe was one of the first to become seriously interested in exploration?
Huskies number 3.
The Netherlands.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the Eagles. Exploration. What small country at the southwestern corner of Europe was one of the first to become seriously interested in exploration?
Eagles number 1.
Spain.
That is incorrect. The answer is Portugal.
That's a good guess.
Toss up number 7. Mental math. Fractions. 72 is 1/2 of what number?
Eagles number 1.
144.
That's correct. Bonus for the Eagles. Early travelers. The Polynesian people traveled and were the original settlers of places such as Hawaii. Polynesia itself is made up of over 1,000 of what landforms in Oceania?
Repeat. That's Australia. That's Australia.
The Polynesian people traveled and were the original settlers of places such as Hawaii. Polynesia itself is made up of over 1,000 of what landforms in Oceania?
Islands.
That's correct. Toss up number 8. Neurosis. A pyrophobic has a morbid fear of blank.
Eagles number 4.
Germs.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the next one. A pyrophobic has a morbid fear of what?
Huskies 3.
Small spaces.
That is incorrect. The answer is fire.
Pyro is the Greek term meaning fire.
I would have said. I know pyro.
Toss up number 9. Bike companies. Wilbur and Orville Wright formed a company in what state to sell bicycles?
Huskies number 2.
Massachusetts.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the Eagles. Wilbur and Orville Wright formed a company in what state to sell bicycles?
Eagles number 5.
New Jersey.
That is incorrect. The answer is Ohio. Toss up number 10. Structures. These are all types of what structures? Hurdle, electric, palisade, picket, split rail, snow, chain link, barbed wire.
Eagles number 1.
Fence.
That's correct. Bonus for the Eagles. Traditional attire. Name the hooded fur jackets of the Eskimos.
Repeat.
Name the hooded fur jackets of the Eskimos.
What are they called? They're like
Fur coats.
That's incorrect. The answer is parkas.
Oh.
Toss-up number 11. Brief narratives. What Greek wrote the original story that inspired this limerick? The peacock considered it wrong that he had not the nightingale's song. So to Juno he went. She replied, "Be content with thy having and hold thy fool's tongue."
Eagles number 3.
Pan.
That is incorrect. Repeating for the Huskies. What Greek wrote the original story that inspired this limerick? The peacock considered it wrong that he had not the nightingale's song. So to Juno he went. She replied, "Be content with thy having and hold thy fool's tongue." The answer is Aesop. Toss-up number 12. Percent. Mental math. If 7 is 10% of a number, what is 90% of that number?
Eagles number 1.
60.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the Huskies. If 7 is 10% of a number, what is 90% of that number?
Huskies number 3.
60%.
That is incorrect. The answer is 63%. So that concludes round.
5 to 50. O'Neill. Eagles.
Now, say that. So you guys don't feel library. We are in 203. O'Neill blue. That other team.
Cute. Don't break the door.
I can eat popcorn now.
Okay, what did I just say? 5. That was the Huskies again, right? Yeah. 5. Holy crap, that's... That was a low-scoring game for them. Like the Eagles.
Both of them, actually.
Yeah.
Probably everybody, because that was kind of a...
Hello again.
Hello.
Well, everybody needs to go to the same bus. Same room.
Yep, thank you.
Okay, everybody ready? Round 5. Toss-up number 1. Folk songs. According to the song lyrics, John Henry was a hard-working man who died with what in his hand?
Stuart number 6.
Hammer. That's correct. Bonus for Stuart. Sensation. What sense is subject to auditory hallucinations?
Sight.
That is incorrect. The answer is hearing. Toss-up number 2. Maps. What kind of map represents relief by means of contouring lines? Name the day. What day is 10 days after Friday?
West Hole Blue, number 6.
Monday.
That's correct. Bonus for West Hole Blue. Paper and pencil. Cake fractions. Jabba the Hutt consumed 4 sections of a gigantic pizza in one sitting, and Mr. Crusoe ate half of what was left. In fractional form, how much of the pizza remained?
Answer?
2/7.
That's incorrect. The answer is 3/14. Toss-up number 4. What kind of pet is a Felis domesticus?
Stuart 3.
Dog.
That's incorrect. Repeat for blue team. Let's go. What kind of pet is a Felis domesticus?
Blue number 4.
Is it cat?
That's correct. Bonus for West Holt. Integers. The product of 2 odd integers is what kind of integer?
Odd number.
That's correct. Toss-up number 5. Agriculture. What is the collective name for any substance, such as compost, manure, or chemical compounds that are added to the soil to provide plant nutrients?
Stuart number 5.
Fertilizer? That's correct. Bonus for Stuart. Beverages. Coffee became more popular than tea in the American colonies only after what event in 1773 made it a patriotic duty not to drink English tea?
Boston Tea Party.
That's correct. Toss-up number 6, ratios. If you need 7 sandwiches for every 9 guests, how many sandwiches are needed for 63 guests?
Blue number 6.
49.
That's correct. Bonus for West Holt. What phenomenon similar to a rainbow is produced by light reflected from Earth's natural satellite?
Send off.
That's incorrect. The answer is a rainbow. You don't have to vote. Oh, sorry. Do I just roll it? Whatever. Toss-up number 7. Vocal music. What is the lowest male singing voice?
Stuart number 3.
That's incorrect. Repeat for Western. Vocal music. What is the lowest male singing voice? The answer is bass. Okay. Toss-up number 8. Cycles. The hydrologic cycle involves transport of water between the land, the sea, and what else?
Blue number 6.
That is incorrect. Repeat for Stuart. The hydrologic cycle involves the transport of water between the land, the sea, and what else?
Stuart number 2.
Air. That is incorrect. The answer is atmosphere or sky. Yep. Custom number 9. Emblems. The national emblem of Canada is the leaf of what tree?
Stuart number 3.
Maple leaf.
That's correct. Bonus for Stuart. Paper and pencil.
Yeah. That'll have one. That one's right.
What are all the divisors of
One, 2, 5, and 10.
That's incorrect. It's 1, 2, 5, 10, 25. Okay. Toss-up number 10. Garden veggies. These are all varieties of what vegetable? Spaghetti, yellow, acorn, zucchini.
Stuart number 2.
Tomatoes.
That's incorrect. Repeat for Westhold. These are all varieties of what vegetable? Spaghetti, yellow, acorn.
Westholt number 2.
Squash.
That's correct.
Yes, I like squash.
Bonus for Westhold. Illusions. Correctly restate this goofy attempted use of an illusion. Don't kill the golden goose that lays the eggs. Correctly restate this goofy attempted use of an illusion. Don't kill the golden goose that lays the eggs.
Captain?
No answer.
The answer is don't kill the goose that lays the golden eggs. Toss number 7. Proportions. 8 is to 4 as x is to 100. What is x?
Stuart number 3.
50.
That is incorrect. Yeah. Repeat for Westholt. 8 is to 4 as x is to 100. What is x? That is correct, but remember it's way too
Oh,
big.
sorry.
That is it. Okay, bonus for Westholt. Paper and pencil. Percent. 60 is 20% of what number?
Captain?
30.
That is incorrect. Oh, did you say 30? What did you say?
30%.
That's incorrect. The answer is 300. Toss up number 12. Blood vessels. What blood vessels are so small that red blood cells must pass through them single file?
Westholt number 3.
White blood cells.
That is incorrect. Give me for Stuart. Blood vessels. What blood vessels are so small that red blood cells must pass through them single file?
Stuart number 4.
Arteries.
That is incorrect. The answer is capillaries.
Final scores, Westholt blue 35, Stuart 25.
We go to the library.
Library.
Where is the library? Show you where the library's at. Sometimes it's so hard to sit there and not say things. We have.
Who's that song?
I don't remember what it's called. But now we get O'Neill blue. This is the they've lost one, maybe two. I don't know. Some people are not putting in scores.
Oh, yeah. Hi, camera people.
Hello.
How are you doing? Doing very well. Yeah, me too.
Did you say see how many people are watching us.
What do you know?
There's something called a live count.
Okay.
12 people.
Oh shoot, guys, I forgot paper. Come on, quickly.
What?
We're watching you mess up every time you speak.
Thanks for,
Encouragement, right?
yeah. Girls, who do you like? I don't know.
You guys should play on your white.
No, let's just.
O'Neill blue then. There's one of the O'Neill colored games.
Hey, when you're entering the scores, did you have O'Neill Eagles round 4?
Possibly? I believe so.
Good issues.
Yeah. They won 50 to 5.
So it was put on round 3 because it was open because there was a team. So make sure you're looking around. Josie and Reese, neither one brought their computer. And so it wasn't until like round 3, and so they were catching up, putting in scores. A couple of them had to move because they weren't messed around. Anyway, so everything's all well.
Yeah.
Doesn't go right.
Good job.
Did you guys see me? Did you?
No.
Okay, you came out looking like you maybe that is.
There are 12 people watching.
Streaming? Does that make you nervous?
No, I waved at them. We had a nice conversation.
No, watch
Did you?
It was
I know,
really
here's
good.
6
That's one of the
cameras.
conversations.
There's no way my mom would.
Mrs. Bailey's probably watching.
Where's
the dishwasher? It's right over there.
O'Neill Eagles and First
I cried my teeth. There was a
Where's that? You guys still just say nice?
No.
Oh, you guys.
I don't want to say that.
That's what I say.
Alright, maybe hard to read. I crossed them out.
Say, just please stop watching.
These girls were on a winning streak though.
They were on fire last night.
Crushed us. Crushed us.
Good job. Just like. Oh, yeah. Do you like
Wait, did you guys just play O'Neill Eagles or O'Neill blue?
the white? It was white, wasn't it?
It was
You were supposed to play white right now.
O'Neill White.
Oh, that was my bad. I misread that.
We're on
Or
our
O'Neill blue.
6th round. We're on our 6th round.
Yeah, I read the wrong round. That was my bad.
That's actually pretty decent for a year.
And I have
We have done pretty good this week. Wait, I can't remember if there's sound to them or not. How many deer?
Girls.
There's sound to them. No.
Well, you know what, now that's,
I only won like 2 questions and I was in like in the first round.
well, that's okay. You know, it goes in spurts. Okay, now we know to listen and back ones before, you know, your group ones, make sure whoever's saying, or even make the answers up.
No, you can't write.
Okay, so maybe say it, repeat it and say it.
Like the spelling one is gonna be like harder for her, like.
Yeah, 'cause I can't.
I'm like saying it to her and then she's like.
She can say it as she's saying it.
Like we can go like
C-O-N
Can do that.
Girls, ask them right now before you start.
If we would have a spelling one, could they be in my ear telling me as we go for a bonus?
If it's a bonus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just can't make them speak.
Water.
Thank you
I'll be
yeah,
back.
for clarifying that. Hi, kids.
I'll be back. I need you.
You bet, honey. Go ahead. We'll wait.
What do you need? Just water for us. The water? Yeah, there's a ton of water back there.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. Good. One of the contestants had to use the restroom. I didn't know if you heard her for sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dawson, are you a nerd?
No.
I don't know. I'm curious about
It's just that.
Find out. They're open. There's a ton in here. Take it out. Thank you. I don't care. Can we have the water?
Water.
Yeah, there's a ton of water back there.
No.
Oh, those are ours.
Oh, no, the water's in the.
They're not ours, we don't know.
Yeah, probably distributors and stuff. Water bottles aren't cheap anymore.
With water, I don't know if we need.
That's why you always. We also have to. Electricity. Then go into the water, it's like, it's not that hard. He's going to the water back there.
Be fast.
Are you so bossy?
I'm not bossy.
She's not
I'm
bossy.
trying to keep it snappy.
She just is not the most patient person, and I'm not the most patient person. So we really now please be quiet. You be quiet. Excuse me. Be quiet.
Down.
Be quiet. You sassy sleeper. Please stop. You don't even know us, you guys. Let's just. Treat us sweet. Snap one back. What a goofy are you doing? Listen, you missed my snap or bad moment. Okay. You ready? Are we all ready to go? Sure. Round 6. Topic number 1. The Constitution. What ordinal number is missing from this passage in the Constitution? The House of Representatives shall be composed of members chosen every blank year by the people of the several states.
Blue number 1.
2. No, I said that.
I would say yes.
It does.
Oh, shoot, wait.
What is? Yeah, 'cause it's the.
We gotta be careful because of my group.
So how's everyone's day going?
Pretty good, how are you? Good, only because we get to skip out on reading. Reading's not I did mine. I did.
You gotta be loud then.
Sorry.
So she'll repeat it.
I'll repeat it for St. Joseph. The Constitution. What ordinal number is missing from this passage in the Constitution? Second.
Yes, just wait to be recognized.
Yep, that's correct. Bonus for St. Joseph. Strange relationships. How many nouns are in this line by a nervous college basketball player? My sister's expecting a baby and I don't know if I'm going to be an uncle or an aunt. Repeat. Strange relationships. How many nouns are in this line by a nervous college basketball player? My sister's expecting a baby and I don't know if I'm going to be an uncle or an aunt. 4. That's correct. Topic number 2, the environment. The general procedure for using waste materials to make new products is called what?
O'Neill, number 3.
Recycling. That's correct. Bonus paper and pencil. If the length of a rectangle is 3 times its width and its width is 5 centimeters, what is its area? Repeat. If the length of a rectangle is 3 times its width and its width is 5 centimeters, what is its area? That is incorrect. The answer is 75 centimeters. Toss-up number 3. Lots of socks. Brad has lots of black socks and green socks under his bed. What is the minimum number of socks he must grab in the dark to be sure he has a pair of either black or green ones?
O'Neill, blue, number 6.
4. That is incorrect. Repeat for St. Joseph's. Lots of socks. Brad has lots of black socks and green socks under his bed. What is the minimum number of socks he must grab in the dark to be sure he has a pair of either black or green ones?
St. Joseph, number 5.
2. The answer is 3. Topic number 4. Planets. In terms of size, mass, and density, what planet is the most similar to Earth?
Blue, number 1.
Mars. That is incorrect. Repeat for St. Joseph. Planets. In terms of size, mass, and density, what planet is most similar to Earth?
St. Joseph's, number 3.
Jupiter. That is incorrect. The answer is Venus. Topic number 5. Caravans. What is the phrase for the caravans of covered wagons in the Old West?
O'Neill, number 3.
A wagon train. That's correct. Bonus for the blue team. Steamshipping. If you pilot your steamship from the Panama Canal to the capital of the Dominican Republic, you cross what sea? Repeat. Steamshipping. If you pilot your steamship from the Panama Canal to the capital of the Dominican Republic, you cross what sea?
Captain?
The Dead Sea. That's incorrect. The answer is the Caribbean. Toss number 6. Plurals. The plural form of which noun in this line is not identical to a singular form? An offspring of a moose doesn't look anything like a cod, shrimp, swine, bison, or snake.
St. Joe, number 4.
That's incorrect. Repeat for the O'Neill group. The plural form of which noun in this line is not identical to a singular form? An offspring of a moose doesn't look anything like a cod, shrimp, swine, bison, or snake.
O'Neill, number 5.
Snakes? That's correct. Bonus for O'Neill. In the martial arts, a white belt indicates novice status and the brow belt, excuse me, I'm restart. In the martial arts, a white belt indicates novice status and the brow belt and advanced rank. What color usually indicates expert proficiency? Black. That's correct. Toss number 7, color. Blue and green and red are chromatic colors. What is an achromatic color?
O'Neill, number 1.
Green. That is incorrect. Repeat for St. Joseph. Blue and green and red are chromatic colors. What is an achromatic color?
Reset.
St. Joe, number 3.
Purple.
That is incorrect. The answer is black, gray, or white.
Acre. That's okay.
Topic number 8, measurement. Square meters is to area as cubic meters is to what?
O'Neill, number 1.
Square.
That is incorrect. Repeat for St. Joseph. Measurement. Square meters is to area as cubic meters is to what?
St. Joe's, number 5.
Perimeter.
That is incorrect. The answer is volume. Toss-up number 9, treason. What is the term for a person who commits treason?
Blue, number 3.
Betrayal.
That is incorrect. Repeat, what is the term for a person who commits treason? The answer is a traitor. Toss-up number 10. Fast flight. The sound associated with supersonic flight is called a sonic what? A, boom.
Repeat that question. That was the answer.
Oh.
A, answer. Boom.
There's no line. Okay, do I just do a new one?
Just repeat, take a question out of the,
Alright. What is sometimes called the Great Lakes State because of its shores covered or
St. Joe's, number 3.
Michigan.
that's correct.
now go back to the bonus and the recommend that.
Okay. Shopping for flowers. Ula bought 7 bouquets for $9.95 each, and the total sales tax was $13.7, leaving her with $17.28. How much did she have upon entering the store?
That should be paper pencils. Did you say paper pencils?
No, it's not.
It should be.
It doesn't say on.
Okay.
Could she repeat it?
Yeah, this is.
It's this one.
Just a second.
This is
Okay,
right.
stop, girls.
Oh,
Every
this
time
one?
that there's been a question here, it hasn't had an
Yeah.
answer for this.
So, all right, paper pencil, shopping for flowers. Beulah bought 7 bouquets for $9.95 each, and the total sales tax was $13.07, leaving her with $17.28. How much did she have upon entering the store?
$70.
That's incorrect. The answer is $100. Toss-up number 11. How does it sound? What is the most often used form of onomatopoeia regarding a train?
O'Neill, 3.
Choo-choo. That is correct. Bonus. Percent conversion. Convert 130% to an improper fraction. Reduce to lowest terms.
Repeat.
Convert 130% to an improper fraction. Reduce to lowest terms. That's incorrect. The answer is 13 over 10. Topic number 12. Cliches. What word completes both these cliches? He went off with his tail between his legs.
O'Neill, number 3.
Legs.
That's correct. Bonus. Lines of longitude. The longitude of 30 degrees west runs through what ocean?
Atlantic.
That's correct. That concludes the round.
45 to 20, O'Neill, blue.
Just
Free Dr. Pepper.
You go
And then after
to
after this round,
6.
you guys want to do the library, it's optional. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna take 2 kids from every,
Oh wait, you said you're doing that.
when you can watch that. I do want you to come and do that.
Yeah, we're playing fifth graders. You were fifth graders. So, no, this is absolutely terrible, you know? We're gonna cook them. You know?
And,
Fifth
numbers
graders
from the other 2 rooms.
are tall, but
The
one of them's
the
never
numbers
taller
from the
than
other
me,
rooms I like,
but
so I was-
No, they're fine.
they still suck.
Joseph, stay left.
They're gonna beat them. Okay, you're a sixth grader. Yeah, I'm a big kid.
I'll take care of that too.
I'm doing that.
I'm done drinking sippy pills.
You're gonna be drinking. Dawson, what are you?
Yeah, I think big
We're
boy
2 and
cups.
4. I'm pretty sure we're 3. We're 3 and 3.
Yeah. We'll go worse, Steve.
Dawson, you do know that this mic is recording. This might be sent.
What?
Recording might be sent. Hopefully we're 4th grade.
It's being Silas is the only person I'm worried about.
Be quiet. Yeah, no, there's a recording. I think they know that, right?
There's a recording?
But there's been recorded this whole time. We've been recorded every single day.
It's also, yeah.
Is it like hi? Yeah.
And then sometimes people watch us.
You can see it.
It's Eagle Eye Broadcast.
Hi, camera. Hi.
You're making us look sports stupid.
That's like rush school.
Basically.
Wasn't too bad. No, Japanese.
Your name, Georgina. Oh, is that? So yeah, we've been making Georgina the entire time.
Oh, we just forgot to introduce ourselves to the camera.
This is Chesa.
Keep them in touch. Oh my god. My leg.
Introduce yourself.
You gotta introduce yourself to the camera. I'm a brag about him. I'm up.
Josie, do you know how to do score?
Yeah,
Is
5
it
and
bonus
10.
10 and then just the toss-up questions 5?
Yeah. Would you be willing to do it for us?
Yeah.
Just change it to. Yeah.
Keep those.
6. This is the last one.
That was not round 6.
Come on, Georgie.
Hold up.
Chop, chop.
Yeah, indeed. Okay.
Yeah, what you gonna tell Taylor?
I will tell Taylor. In fact, I'll tell
Actually, it's a
Carissa
very good
too.
idea.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Oh boy, yeah.
Looks like I'm coming to your house then.
Do you even know where I live?
His house. All of it.
I know where you live.
I thought you said you were going
Okay,
trapping.
alright, go.
Ooh.
Round 7. Topic number 1. Name the president. Who served as president during the Civil War and issued the Emancipation?
O'Neill White, number 6.
Abraham Lincoln.
That is correct. Bonus for the white team. Preparing for emergencies. What type of small boat is needed on a larger boat in case of emergency? Preparing for emergencies. What type of small boat is needed on a larger boat in case of emergency?
Lifeboat.
That is correct.
That's incorrect.
Shut up, Dawson.
Oh, you are incorrect. You want to see that offensively. It's 10.
So now it's 15.
Just, yeah, just right.
Why are you guys so big?
Because she can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Well, now you're gonna run out of space and then won't be able to play anymore.
Okay,
Time's up, it's 5 now. After, yep.
topic number 2. Historical vocabulary. What is the collective term for the customs, social institutions, arts, and achievements of a nation or people?
Blue, number 3.
Culture. That is correct. Bonus for the blue team.
I didn't think we got this far. It's good.
What name completes this verse of a ballad? For little John took his bow in his hand, and wandering in the wood, to kill the deer and make good cheer for Marion and blank.
Repeat.
What name completes this verse of a ballad? For little John took his bow in his hand, and wandering in the wood, to kill the deer and make good cheer for Marion and blank.
Captain?
That is incorrect. The answer is Robin Hood.
Oh. We move on.
Topic number 3. Cities. These are among the largest cities on what continent? Kinshasa, Addis Ababa, Casablanca, Abuja, Abidjan, Alexandria.
White, 6.
Asia.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the 13. Cities. These are among the largest cities on what continent? Kinshasa, Addis Ababa, Casablanca, Abuja.
Blue, 1.
South America?
That is incorrect. The answer is Africa. Toss-up number 4. A conductor uses what short white stick to direct an orchestra?
White, number 1.
That's correct.
I didn't think what it was called. That's like I know it, but I don't know what it's called.
Rounded to the nearest mile per hour, a truck went 290 miles in 4 hours and 30 minutes. What was its average speed in miles per hour?
Repeat.
Rounded to the nearest mile per hour, a truck went 290 miles in 4 hours and 30 minutes. What was its average speed in miles per hour?
Captain?
No answer.
The answer is 64 miles per hour. Topic number 5. Vocations. These are imaginative definitions for what vocation? One who looks at Niagara Falls and says with a little time he could fix it. A man who gets paid for sleeping under sinks. And an adventurer who traces leaky pipes to the source.
Blue 4.
That is correct. Bonus for the blue team. Government. Name the 2 levels of government above the local level. Repeat. Name the 2 levels of government above the local level.
Captain?
State and national.
That's correct. Toss-up number 6. Art forms. What term refers to the art of shaping and firing clay?
White number 2.
Sculpture.
That is incorrect. Repeat for the blue team. What term refers to the art of shaping and firing?
Blue 1.
Pottery. That is incorrect. The answer is ceramics. Toss-up number 7. Problem solving. What method is involved when you attempt to find a solution by trying one approach after another until one happens to work?
Blue 3.
Trial and error.
That's correct. Bonus for the blue team. To whom did the British General Charles Cornwallis surrender in 1781?
Repeat.
To whom did the British General Charles Cornwallis surrender in 1781?
George Washington.
That's correct. Toss-up number 8. Nickname. Which country is known as the land down under?
Blue 4.
Australia. That's correct. Bonus for the blue team.
I have
36.
O'Neal White should be at 35. Blue's at 25 right now.
What? That's crazy. No, it's 25. 20, just it's 25.
Yeah, no.
No, not that one. No, it's that.
White's ahead right now. It's White is 25 to 30. White is winning 35 to 25.
Huh? No. No. I thought we were 30. It was
I think it's them.
It's that.
Yeah, I think
they're
Yeah.
at 35.
And they should be at 25.
White.
What did I mess up then?
Oh, you messed up.
I didn't think I did.
Can you believe it? Oh, you favor them over us? You had to work. It's like a kindergartner and a 12 or 14-year-old device. So tragic. So we would have been at 35.
I feel like we're winning.
Yeah. That's a clock. We would be at 35. They would be at 20.
Guys, that's what the judge says. When the judge says goes.
She's not a
It
judge.
shall- Whatever.
That's why. That's why I
Give
said
me a second, give me a
a
second.
child as a
Okay.
judge.
Who got the plumber question?
We did.
That's where I messed up. I gave it to those guys.
No. How dare you? You're so rude.
Chill out.
I'm telling Haley.
What's Haley gonna care?
We ought to report your smacks I'm the guy in charge of this.
Okay, there we go.
No.
White's at 20 and.
I'll just throw all three yours.
Show, second.
Yeah.
You're gonna add all
Report.
these.
You should be
20,
5.
10,
We should be at 35.
Yeah,
30?
20 to 30.
Just
So-
hurry up.
No, 20 to 40.
Yeah, 20.
It's been almost 5 minutes.
Just all give it
But it
all
might
this.
be the reason. You're not helping. What's that?
Yes. No, what? No, not. Oh, sorry, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, sorry. Bonus for you guys. Going to blue.
No pictures.
Just getting there.
Gene got hit in the head with an errant golf ball, and now he is seeing stars, feeling even goofier than usual in his days. These are symptoms of what kind of brain injury?
It's a a bonus.
It's a bonus,
That's okay. That's correct. Okay. Toss-up number 9. Roots. Name the most common edible orange-colored taproot.
Carrots.
That's correct. Just remember to do
I challenge. I didn't recognize them.
We were told at the beginning to give grace for everyone.
Thanks.
In a real meet, yes, do that. But this is not like.
No, she said there's a lot of beginners, so.
Yeah.
Thanks. How did they get the green color?
Okay. Bonus for the white team. Sorry. Zoology. What marine animals, often accompanied by remora, have the ability to replace their teeth? Repeat. What marine animals, often accompanied by remora, have the ability to replace their teeth?
Why did you call it sharks? It's sharks. I'm smart. Sharks.
That is correct.
I know everything about animals.
Toss up number 10. Lightning. What continent has the least lightning?
Where's that? Oh, blue 1.
Antarctica?
That's correct. Bonus for the blue
I was
team.
gonna say Russia. That's a country. That's a country.
Someone. Okay, sorry, bonus. Someone interested in collecting pretty or unusual rocks is called a rock what?
Collector.
That's incorrect. The answer is hound.
A rock hound?
What?
55 to 35.
Okay. Toss up number 11. Pictures. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, how many words are 1,000 pictures worth?
100,000?
That's incorrect, and remember to wait here, guys. Repeat for the white team. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, how many words are 1,000 pictures worth?
White 6.
10,000?
That's incorrect. The answer is 1,000,000.
Oh my.
Toss up number 12. Animal foods. The only food of koalas consists of leaves from what tree?
Yeah. White 3.
Eucalyptus?
Yes, that's correct.
What? I didn't even know that was a kind of tree. Yeah, it's.
Bonus for the white team. Tongue twisters. How many times does wood appear in the first line of the tongue twister about woodchucks?
Repeat.
Tongue twisters. How many times does wood appear in the first line of the tongue twister about woodchucks?
Two times?
That's incorrect. The answer is 4 times.
Thank you.
And that concludes the round.
40 to 55.
So tell me, go through and double check all your scores and make sure that you have. Come back.
Can you say that? How much?
Yeah, we'll be back.
What's that? I told them since so many of these teams are just in you. Okay, so here's the deal, guys. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the library, and we're gonna split off, I'm gonna split the teams into 2 groups of 4. Each team, the captain can choose one other person from their team, maybe somebody who had the most buzzes or something like that. Whatever, you can pick the captain and one other person from each team are gonna come up and they'll form 2 teams of 8 and we'll do one final all-star round. Okay? So, I'll go.
Here, you go through these and tell me.
So she has to pick 2 people from all
No,
of
can you
them.
do that again?
Thank you. I tried to answer a few and
Actually,
Oh, here you go.
Girls, we're doing this for them. Yeah, this was fun.
Anybody's coat?
Is this like, that's what I thought.
I think that is 45, 250, 1, 0. Okay. So the next one should be West Holt and St. Joe's.
50 to 20.
20. Well, it's which West Holt is it? Either.
Gold.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Then is it West?
Then it's West Holt versus West Holt Huskies. West Holt Blue.
Okay, Huskies 30. With Ben 25 blue. Awesome. Okay. So then West Holt Huskies against O'Neill Eagles.
Yep.
Huskies got 5. They got 50. They won that one. Okay.
Then St. Joe's versus O'Neill.
Yep. 45 O'Neill blue, 20 St. Joe's. What round was this one? That one was round
6.
40. Okay, yep.
And then it's finally O'Neill White versus O'Neill Blue, 40 to 40.
We do West Holt blue and Stewart.
That was, no.
Is that 5?
Oh, for 1.
Yeah.
That was Stuart West Holt. That's 25 to 35.
Did you want? I don't know if I did that one.
Let's just like do it, 'cause I don't know.
Okay, and then this last one, 42.
Perfect.
Mr. Peterson's one of you guys to the library.
I know, we just had to finish, we just had to make sure.
Well, he wants to hurry up.
We're coming right now.
Pretty sure it's 6th graders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They went
Because there's not a
7.
championship round, is there?
No. They just went 7-0.
Yeah, then.
Actually, we're gonna have to go back anyways.
No Hawaiian theme.
Anyways, is there a word?
No Hawaiian theme for you today.
I don't have anything planned.
Lynn's sad.
What's tomorrow?
We're back Thursday.
Oh, yes, because I should.
not lying. I have no idea.
that's my sweatshirt.
I walked in the locker room the other day. I'll just send it to you. Like, I need this money.
That's it. Would you like to be my child?
We literally got Dairy Queen yesterday.
And then G, I said, no, go ahead. Come on.
These are literally just like what? After I don't know.